Hello friends, I'm Nishik and in this video I'll show you the top 7 best and free WooCommerce themes to build your e-commerce website. Now this is not one of those videos where people just tell you in 2 minutes that these are the themes without even trying any one of those themes. So for this video I've created 7 different websites with these 7 WordPress themes, and I'll tell you which theme offers the best customization, best pre-made templates, best design and best features. I'll show you how the shop page and single product page will look like and what changes you can do to these pages. Then we'll also show you what widgets you get with these themes for your e-commerce store. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now the very first theme on this list is Royal Elementor Kit. This is a free theme which also comes with a Royal Elementor Addons plugin, which is an add-on plugin with Elementor. So you can see this is how the page will look like. This is a demo website that I've created with this theme. You can see different sections: feedback section, testimonial section, product section, and so on. If I scroll down, you can see when I hover this product, I get this kind of option. I can add this product into cart. If I open this single page, this is how this single product page will look like. And if you scroll down, this is how it looks like. If you see the shop page, this is how the shop page will look like. You can have your banner on the shop page. You can have this basic sorting option over here, filtration option over here. Now this is a demo website that I've created, or this is kind of a template that I've imported with this theme. So the design looks good. The basic features and everything is present over here. And most important thing about this theme, this particular theme, Royal Elementor Kit theme, is the customization options. You get a lot of customization options. First of all, if I go back to the dashboard and I show you this thing, here you can see at the left hand side, you will see Royal Elementor add-ons. Obviously before that, make sure you install this theme, and with this theme you also need to install the plugin Royal Elementor add-ons. Let me show you the theme. This is the theme Royal Elementor Kit. You can search for this theme, and for the plugin, if I go to plugins, this is the main plugin Royal Elementor add-ons. Once you install this theme and plugin, you will get this Royal add-ons option at the left hand side. And under this, you can see we have a lot of options. We have a pop-up builder. So with this theme, you can also create different types of pop-ups to get more email addresses. Then we have a pre-made blogs, theme builder, template kit, all these options. If you click on templates kit, you'll see there are so many different free templates. Some are premium, but most of them are free. And because this video is specially focused on e-commerce website, you can even search for that. So if I search for shop over here, you can see you get so many different options. This is a free website that you can import. As you can see, some are premium, but this one is free. Similarly, this one is also free. Okay, so and this is the one that I've imported on my website. Another great thing is that you get a complete set. You get home page, shop page, single product. So all the pages will be available for you. Blog page, single blog page, about page, contact page. So you get a complete set of all these templates, complete design. Similarly, if you want to suppose import this website, this is the home page, shop page, single product, about page, contact page. Okay, so this is another great thing about this theme. Now for the customization option, let's see what all customization features we get. Now if you go to the shop page, obviously you can customize the different pages, home page, about page, those are basic thing. But here they also allow you to customize your shop page and single product page. Now if I open any single product, for example, if I open this product, and if you go to this option, edit with Elementor, if you hover over this thing, you get all the different options. Pet shop version 1. If you click on this thing, pet shop version 1, here you can see you can customize how this single product page will look like. So if you click on this image, for example, how you want your image gallery to be, okay, you can select the angle of the icon, all these things from here, lightbox, and what design you want. You want stack design, thumbnails per row, you can control these things. In fact, if you want to, for example, if I want my title, instead of at the right hand side, if I want my title on top of this image, you can bring your title over here. Okay. And if you want to maybe add to cart page somewhere else, you can do that. So you can completely design this thing. If you maybe want to add few more text over here, then you can do one thing, add more elements. Many different elements are available over here. You can add more elements over here. For example, if you want to add maybe icon box, you can drag and drop the icon box, and let me select truck icon. This one, click on insert, bring it over here at the left hand side, and here I can type in free shipping on orders over $100. So this will show on the single product page. You can also obviously design this thing. You can design how you want your logo to look like, what color logo you want. Okay, you can select this thing. You can increase or decrease the size of this logo. Then for content also, you can select this option. I'll change the color for the content. Very quickly, I'm just trying to show you this thing. If I show you this thing, if I just publish it, now if I again go back to this website, and let me open any page, let me open any product. Maybe let's open this product, or this cat product. Now here, as you can see, it will show this thing, and now my title shows over here the right hand side, and this is how it looks like. So you can design and custom design your single product page and shop page, and there are many different features available. You can also design your header and footer. So this is the header, this is the footer. You can go to this option, edit with Elementor. You can see we have header, footer, all these things. So you can design, create your own header and footer. This is how the header is looking right now. If you want to make any changes, if you want to, for example, increase the size or width of this search bar, you can do it from here. Okay, so many different options and features are available. If you don't want this cart icon over here, maybe if you want it over here, you can bring it over here. So all these options are available. You can design your own pages. So this was the first theme. Obviously, we don't have time to go in detail. I'm just trying to show you a quick demo of all these themes, and you can choose which theme you want to use. So this was the first theme on our list. Let's go to the second theme, which is even much better than this one, the first one. So the second theme on this list is Blocksy theme. This is again another free theme. If you scroll down, you can see this is one of this website that is created with this very simple and modern looking website. And if I open a single page, for example, let's open this page. This is how the single page looks like. Okay. Here also we have a lot of options. We have this cookie option. You can give this notice and all. When you hover over this thing, image becomes bigger. So this website has much better design as compared to the previous one. Very simple and modern looking. And there is one more website that I've created using the same theme. So here you can see this website is also created using this Blocksy theme. This is a slider that you create. You can create for free. This is a free slider created with this Blocksy theme. Then if you scroll down, again, you can create these kind of banners for different categories. Okay, decor, lighting, all these things. Then this is how the shop page or archive page, different pages will look like if you open a single product page. So same theme where you have two different designs. This is one design, this is another design. So you can change the design however you like it. So this is the second theme. In fact, this is much better than the previous theme. If I go to the dashboard, let me show you what all changes you can make with this theme. Now in the dashboard, once you install this theme, Blocksy theme, you will get this option at the left hand side, Blocksy. Once you click on that, you get all these options. You can change your color option, typography, all these things. And you also have a starter package over here. If you click on starter sites, and if you want to see only free, you can click on all plans, click on free. Then you can select, if you want to select maybe e-commerce only, then you can select e-commerce, and you can see there are 8 different free e-commerce website designs available. So you can import any one of this and you can start from there. Then after that, we have more extensions. If you want to use some of the extensions like this cookie consent, then we have a product reviews. You can enable that, trending post, newsletter, subscribe, all these options. Then some useful plugins or the plugins that they recommend or that you can use with this theme. Now for the customization features, if you go to the home page or if you go to any page, if you click on this customize link at top, you will see all the customization options that you get with this theme. Here you can see you can customize everything from here. At the left hand side, you have so many different options. In fact, if you go at the right hand side, if you just click on this option, you can customize how your header looks like. If I click on this thing, I can edit this thing. If I click on main row here, as you can see, I have my logo over here, menu over here. So maybe if I want to bring my menu at the left hand side and logo in between, I can do it like this. So menu over here and logo in the middle. So you can see this is how easy it is to build your own option over here. Then we have the search option. If you want to do some changes, you can just click on that. At the left hand side, you get options related to search. Then we have account icon. We have a cart icon. You can click on the cart icon instead of this bag icon. If you want maybe this icon, you can change the icon. You can change the icon size from here. Okay, you can see the changes on the live website at the right hand side. Okay, when I increase or decrease this number. So a lot of options. Similarly, we also have footer builder. If I come back again, we have footer builder as well. If you click on footer and go at the bottom, okay, you can change your footer. All these options, you can change different options under footer. Then after that, we also have a lot of options related to products. If I open a single product, for example, Let's open this product again. And here, as you can see, when you hover over this thing, you get edit settings. So you can edit these options. So if I click on edit under this option, I get settings related to this. So maybe if I don't want this category thing at the bottom, I can simply hide this meta. So it will hide all the meta details. If you want to bring this cart icon, or if you want to bring this rating at the bottom, then you can just bring this star rating at the bottom over here. Then this star rating will go at the bottom like this. Okay, so you can do all these changes. You can also change the layout of this page. If you don't want this sidebar at the right hand side, you can remove this sidebar as well. If I come back, you can change this thing. If you select narrow width or normal width, sidebar will be removed. Now, as you can see, or if you want narrow website, then you can select narrow width. Okay, sidebar removed, but the width is smaller. So however you want, you can design this thing. Similarly for this section as well, for the tab section, if you want this style, simple style, or if you want this box style, then you can select the second option. You will see box style for the option. Then if you want, you can also select the third type. In this type, you will get this kind of option. Okay. So many different options are available again for this option as well. Then if you want to do some settings related to related products and so on. Now for designing also, this was just for layout. You can design things as well. For example, if I click on this thing, I can go to this design tab. And if I don't want this title color, I can change the title color maybe to this red color. As you can see, if I want to change the style of the text, maybe I'll select, let's select some different style. Maybe I'll select this style. Okay, so whatever style you want, you can simply select it from here. Okay, you can change your styles like this. And if you want to make it bolder, you can select medium, bold, italic. You can change the size and also a lot of customization options. Design also much cleaner. So this is the theme that I would use if I were to create an e-commerce website using a free theme. So this was the second theme. There we have few more themes. In fact, the next theme is the one that I always use on my e-commerce website if I have to use a free theme. So let's move on to that theme. Now the third theme, in fact, this is not, don't go by the number. This is the number one theme. If I had to choose just one theme, this is the theme that I would choose. Woostify WooCommerce themes. And in fact, you can see I have created this beautiful website using this free theme. You can see as I scroll down, this is a website that I've created using this free theme. In fact, if you want, you can also create this entire website for free. I have a complete dedicated video on this theme. So if you go to YouTube and if you search for that, if you don't find this video here, you can just search for Nayyar Sheikh free e-commerce website 2024. Or if you're watching this video in 2025, search for 2025 so that you get the latest video. You can see the first result, how to create a free e-commerce website with WordPress online store 2024. This is the tutorial in which I have explained you how you can create this beautiful website, using only free resources. If I open this tutorial, you can see this is the website that I've created. Okay, so if you want to learn how to create this website, make sure to watch this tutorial. In fact, there are many websites that I've created using that Woostify theme. If I show you this website, this is another website that I've created. This is for pharmaceutical products. Then another website that I've created, many different websites I've created using this theme. You can search for those tutorials. If you search for Nayyar Sheikh free e-commerce website, you will get those tutorials that I've created. As you can see, this is also a website that I've created using that. If you want to see that pharmaceutical one, you can search for Nayyar Sheikh pharmaceutical, you'll get that tutorial. So basically you can see how beautiful websites you can create with this one. You can also integrate to wish list and or different swatches option. Let me show you what I mean by that. Now if I open, let me go to the shop page. This is the home page. If I go to the shop page, this is how the shop page looks like. At the left hand side, we have filtration option. Customers can filter products by price, categories, color, products, all these things. Now let me show you the product that I want to show you. If I open this product, short sleeve, here you can see I have added all these options. So this is one option that you can add swatches, variation swatches. You can create different variations for different products. Okay. So what color product you want, red color product, medium size. Once you select these swatches, price also changes. So this free theme also integrates these variation swatches. Then with that, we have also integrated wish list option. So if you hover over any theme or any product, you can get this heart icon. If you click on that heart icon, this product will be added to your wish list. So this feature is also added. If I open a single product, you can see you can wish list any product. Okay. You can just click on this wish list, add to wish list, and this product will be added to your wish list. Then you can also track orders. So I have created the track order page. We have created the blog page, contact page, different pages. And also the template is very good. The process is very good. If I add to cart any product, if I click on add to cart, you can see the cart page comes from the right hand side. Then you can go to the checkout page. And in this theme also you have a lot of customization option. You can see when I go to the checkout page, the theme changes. Now I don't have any clutter on the theme. Don't have any pages. Footer also has just disappeared. So in the checkout page, what I want is, I don't want any distractions. I want the customer to finally do the checkout, make the payment and order the product. So this is the theme that I recommend. If I had to choose just one theme, this is the theme that I would choose. Woostify WooCommerce themes. Let me show you the dashboard for this one. So under dashboard, you can see we get this Woostify option. You can click on this and you can upload your logo, you can change the layout, shop page, some related options. Then here also we have some starter sites. You can click on activate Woostify, and once you activate this thing, you can import any one of these starter sites. Then for the customization, again you can click on customize and you have a lot of customization options again over here. If you want to learn more about customization and that related to this theme, make sure to watch this video. Now under customization as well, you can see we have, if you go to WooCommerce, we have some options. If you go to single product, single page, you can control. If you don't want this breadcrumb, for example, you can make it off. If you don't want navigation, or if you don't want different type of navigation, if you, for example, right now the main image shows at the right hand side and left hand side small images. If you want these small gallery images at the bottom, you can select the second option and then it will be changed. Here you can see. Okay. If you want a trust badge, like I have uploaded this trust badge over here, guaranteed safe checkout, you can upload your trust badge over here. Then you can do some more changes. If you don't want to display these extra details, SKU tags and all, you can hide them. Okay. So like this. Then related products, if you want to display related products or if you want to hide them, you can do that. You can also change how this button looks like and what color and everything. So a lot of customization options. Again for this theme. Shop page also you get a lot of customization options. All right, so this was the third theme on our list. Now the fourth theme on our list is OceanWP, and this is one website that I've created using this theme. Okay, so this theme also I've used this on many different tutorials. If you want to learn more about this theme, OceanWP theme, you can go to YouTube and just search for Nayyar Sheikh OceanWP. And you can see the most popular video, in fact, on my channel is using this theme, OceanWP theme, 1.5 million if I open this video. So you can see this is the website that I've created using this OceanWP theme. So if you also want to create a website like this, and if you want to use OceanWP theme, then you can use or you can watch this tutorial. Okay. Again, if I come back, let me show you what special things you get with this theme. So first of all, again, we get many different layouts. We get many different pre-made templates, and the design also looks good. For example, on this page, if you don't want to display, if I just click on customize for now, let me show you how you can customize this thing. So under customization, you can see this is the shop page. This is how the shop page looks like. Now, if you want to do some changes, you can go to WooCommerce, obviously, and you can select archives. And over here, you can select, you can do some changes. For example, if you don't want this design, you can change the design, how many posts per page you want, then what all things. Maybe I don't want to display add to cart button over here. Then I can simply remove that thing from here. I can hide this thing, add to cart button. Maybe I also don't want to display these categories and all. This is taking unnecessary space. So I'll remove that category as well. Okay. Then you can also make all the images equal size. You can also do some custom CSS. You can remove the star rating from this page. Okay. And you can do a lot more things. If you want content alignment center or left, if I select left, everything has now come to left size. Then you can also do some basic designing. If you go to designing, first before that, let me show you the single page. If I open a single product, this is how it looks like. Let me open the single product page. Maybe I don't want this sidebar first of all. So I'll remove this sidebar, click on the second option. Now sidebar removed, you can see we have this thing. This is how it looks like. If you want to do some changes over here, again, if you want to hide anything or remove anything, you can do it from here. Now for the designing, you can also create custom tabs, by the way, with this one. Okay, you can create custom tabs. So by default, we have description, reviews. If you want to add more tabs over here, you can add more tabs. And for designing, you can click on advanced designing and you can do some designing related settings over here. So at the left hand side, you can see all the different colors and paddings and images, borders, everything can be controlled. Product entry. You can see the tab product entry, add to cart. So this is related to add to cart. Then if you scroll down, quick view, then if you scroll down off canvas, then single product. If I don't want this green price color, I want to change this thing maybe to red price color or some other color, I can do it from here. Then for description color, all these colors. And also for buttons, product navigation, okay, buttons, everything can be changed from here. A lot of options are available. Add to cart style. If I select double, for example, then it will make double border radius. You can change the border radius. You can type in 50 pixels over here. Now you can see the button over here. This has become rounded. If you make it 0, this will become this rectangular sharp image. So a lot of again customization options are available related to images, related to header and footer, and many different widgets are also available with this theme. So again, this is another theme that I recommend. I would again, if you want to learn more about this theme, make sure to watch the OceanWP tutorial. Now let's move on to the fifth theme, which is again another amazing theme. This is Kadence theme. If you see, this is one of the templates that I've imported using the template manager with this theme. Very beautiful. Again, another modern looking, simple looking website. Okay. This is one template that I've imported. There are many more templates that you can use. If I show you, this is the shop page. This is also a simple slider. You can see the image changes and the text also a little bit changes. And all these, if you want to go to the mugs category, t-shirts category, or if you open the shop page, if you click on shop, you can open the shop page. You can have it with sidebar, without sidebar. Then if you open a single product, again, you can see very beautiful and modern looking. Okay, the fonts and everything, the designing, this rounded element throughout, the tabs option. So very good looking, modern looking website. Now here also we get a lot of options. So let me go to the dashboard to show you those options. Now on the dashboard page, you can see the Kadence option over here. The left hand side, if you click on starter templates, you can see templates that you get with this theme. Free template also, pro template also. If you want to see only free, then you can select free only. And if you want to select only e-commerce, or if you want some political membership website, you can select that as well. I'm selecting e-commerce. So here, as you can see, there are so many different free e-commerce related. This is the one that I've used. So many different e-commerce related free templates that you can use on your website. Even a single product. If you have a single product, if you want to create an e-commerce website for that, they have a design for that as well. So you can use any one of these designs. So many different templates available. You can select which editor you want to use. If you want to use Elementor, block editor, they have their own editor. You can use that as well. Now for the customization, you can click on appearance and customize, or you can again go to homepage or any other page and click on this customize link. They also offer a lot of customization option like previous themes. For example, header, footer customizations. You can see at the left, as the right hand side, once I hover over this thing, I get all the options. So if I want to edit this thing, I can click on pencil button. And same here, if I want to bring my navigation over here at the right hand side, I can bring my navigation at the right hand side. Maybe I can bring my logo in the middle. So I can bring my logo over here. So now my logo is in the middle menu at the left hand side. At the right hand side, we have some options. If you want to add few more options, you can search for that. If you want to, you can also select some options. You can remove some options from here. Okay, maybe if I want to add a button over here, I can click on plus, then I can select this button option. And here, as you can see the button, I'll maybe bring it over here just besides this search icon, and I'll change the button text. So you can double click on this, or you can click on this gear icon and you'll get settings related to that. So under button, instead of button, I'll type in shop now. And after that, you can do some changes. You can change the style, filled or outline. Then who all will see this button, everyone, or only logged in user or logged out user. So you can select, maybe you can redirect this to your registration page, and you can show this button only to your logged out users. Okay. So you can do like this. Now, similarly, we have footer builder as well. And if we have a lot of customization option related to WooCommerce. So if you click on WooCommerce, you can see WooCommerce product layout. You can change it from here. You can select sidebar layout. You can select the, product elements. You can rearrange them. You can hide them. You can show them if you have some more settings related to them. So if you open a single product, for example, this is related to single product. So if I open a single product, for example, this is how it is looking. If you want to select some more options. For example, let's see. Right now, let me see what all we can do. So this is also again payment option is given. If you want some additional option, for example, this is additional option that is added, free shipping on orders over $50. So if you want, you can add some additional options and like this. Then we have the add to cart. If you want to do some changes to the add to cart button, how it looks, you can select this thing. You can select the size. You can also select how it looks. Okay, large size, medium size. You can control the border radius and everything with this thing. Now product variation, whether you want horizontal, vertical, tab style, this is how the horizontal, if you want to make it vertical, or if you want to tab in the middle, in the center, you can do that, or normal style, you can have it as well. Now shop page also, we have a lot of customization options. So basically you get the idea. This is another great theme that I recommend. Now these are the main 5 themes. We have 2 more themes, but if I were to choose, I would choose between these 5 themes. And again, as I said you earlier, my choice would obviously be Woostify. If not Woostify, then Blocksy. If not Blocksy, then Kadence. Okay, these 3 themes in 2024, 2025, I would choose any one of these 3. Now let's move on to theme number 6 and 7. So theme number 6 on our list is this Botiga theme. Again, another very simple theme. I like the design, and we have decent amount of customization options and different options over here. This is the simple page. If I open a single product page, this is how it looks like. Okay, most of the things which you get with the previous things, with the previous themes, you get those features and those designs over here as well. Similarly with this also, you can go to customize, see all the different customization options that you get with this theme. Here also we have header and footer builder and so on. Now the last theme on this list is Customify. If you go to this website, this is how this looks like. Again, another very good theme, good looking, modern looking theme. This is how the single product page will look like if you use this theme. Homepage images, most of them are removed, but you can see this is how the shop page and archive pages will look like. This is how the product will look like. Shop page also, if you go to the shop page, you can have this sidebar. You can add some filtration options on this shop page. You can display list option, and you can also display grid option. So this is another theme that I recommend. Here also you can go to customize and you can do some customization. Again, many different customization options related to header, footer, single product and shop pages are available over here. But I have to stop over here because this video has already gotten quite lengthy. I wanted to make a very short video. But I hope this video was useful for you. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Or if you have any other themes that you think is better than these themes, make sure to let me know and let others also know. So you can just go to comment section and type in the name of the theme. I'll check out that theme and see if it is a good theme. I would surely recommend that theme. Or if you have any other opinions related to these themes or any other themes, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Now finally, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.